Alright, today we're taking a look at my third 1965 Auto World Volkswagen pit kit. You can see this one, I did it in kind of the hippie style. I think this car turned out great. There again, I trued my tires as usual, adjusted my traction magnet, and we'll put her on the track and see how she runs. Okay, other than that one hiccup there, you can see she runs great. I love these Ultra G cars. I think they're great kits, and I try and get all of them that they put out. And anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.